I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY project for Valentine's Day. This time I'm doing a mirrored flower box. I hope you enjoy.
You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny.
I absolutely love sharing simple DIY projects that are inexpensive for you. So I start my project today with this simple cardboard box. Taking some Big W Australia glitter paper, I decided to cover the entire box. I cut each piece to size and then I added it to each side. Once it was complete, I then added these dollar store self-adhesive mirrors. Now I took 3 of these guys and added them to the front. I then added inside some floral foam. Now I took 5 of these and added them inside.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they will disappear, they will let you down. So
I then had these adorable love hearts that I picked up from Spotlight, and I took them outside and spray painted them silver. While they were drying, I then took a piece of this pink craft foam and I decided I wanted to make some little decorative accents for my love hearts. Now what I'm doing here is I want to create a nail polish bottle. So I'm just freehanding the bottom of what I thought it would look like. I then took some scissors and cut it out. Then off camera I took some black foam and I drew what I thought the top of a nail polish bottle looked like. I then took this adhesive love heart and I added it to my nail polish bottle.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now.
I then moved on to the second one. I took another piece of that black foam and I cut a strip probably about 2 centimeters long, and I made sure that I made curves on each end.
But they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need
What I'm trying to do here is to create a lipstick. This will be the bottom of our lipstick. I then took another piece of that pink foam and I traced out what I thought the top of lipstick would look like. I then took some scissors and cut it out, and then I hot glued the 2 pieces together. I then added another one of those love heart adhesive rhinestones. Off camera, I then traced a small perfume bottle. Now you can Google this and get any sort of template for a perfume bottle. And what I did here is I cut one out from the pink foam. I then took a small square of black foam and added it to the centre, and added a love heart rhinestone to the middle. I then took this black and white striped ribbon that I picked up from Spotlight, and I wanted to create a bow for my little perfume bottle. I took a large piece and overlapped it 3 times, and taking some floral wire, I joined it in the middle. I then took another strip of that ribbon and I covered up the floral wire with the additional piece. I then folded the ribbon in the middle and then cut it on an angle for a decorative look. I then hot glued the little bow to my perfume bottle. I then took these adorable blush pink roses from Kmart Australia and I added them inside the floral foam. I then took that Big W Australia contact paper and I drew a love heart on the back. I then added it to the front of the middle mirror. I then took those love hearts and I decided that I would cover them with the glitter paper. I then took my glam makeup and I hot glued it to each of the hearts. Simple and inexpensive DIY to create. I absolutely love Valentine's Day and I think this would make a perfect gift idea or a table centerpiece to decorate for the season. I love how I took something as simple as a cardboard box and gave it my glam DIY touch. Guys, with Valentine's Day just around the corner, you might be looking for an inexpensive gift idea. There's nothing more beautiful than getting something handmade, and this would be the perfect DIY. We better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. I love creating unique and inexpensive ways for you to recreate these DIYs. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to create this glam flower box for Valentine's Day. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own glam mirrored flower box. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we had